everybody. Here is a table that I made not too long ago, and it's made out of real wood, and I put some alcohol inks to color it and epoxy over it. And it gave it this really cool look, which I thoroughly enjoy. First I had to shishugibon it. So here is my virgin piece of wood that I'm going to do. And it's got a very nice design in it. So I'm going to go ahead and shishugibon it really quick. So after I shishugiboned it, then this is me doing the alcohol ink on a different piece. But this is the exact same technique that I used for my round piece. Here's what shishugibon looks like in slow motion. Basically, you torch the outside of the wood until it catches fire, and then it goes out really quick, and it brings out the grain in the wood. Sometimes, if you have a lot of sap in your wood, it will catch fire for quite a while, and it looks kind of cool. If you do try to do shishugibon, just make sure that you're in a well-ventilated area and make sure there's no materials around you that can catch fire. And also, make sure that you're old enough to even be working a propane tank or a torch. So this is what it looks like without the epoxy. It's pretty, but it's not as pretty as with the epoxy on. The epoxy absolutely just pops the color and the grain. So hopefully you liked my video and maybe you'll give this a try. I know that I love my new table and it looks amazing. Well, I hope everybody has a great day, and if you like my video, please subscribe or leave a like or a comment. All right, thanks. Bye.